Hi. Let's learn about certificates of origin, CO definition, types, and how to get one. A certificate of origin is a document declaring in which country a commodity or good was manufactured. It contains information about the product, its destination, and the country of export. For example, a good may be marked "Made in the USA" or "Made in China." Customs officials expect the CO to be a separate document from the commercial invoice or packing list. The CO needs to be signed by the exporter, notarized, and signed and stamped by a chamber of commerce. In some cases, the destination customs authority may request proof of review from a specific chamber of commerce. The main purpose of the CO is to help determine whether certain goods are eligible for import or subject to duties. There are two main types of COs, non-preferential and preferential. Non-preferential COs indicate that goods do not qualify for reduced tariffs or tariff-free treatment, while preferential COs are used to indicate free trade agreements or reduced tariffs between countries. Free trade agreements made by the U.S. with other countries may necessitate a specific form to be issued by the exporter as proof of origin so products can qualify for preferential duty rates. Countries like Bolivia, Cambodia, Haiti, Namibia, and Pakistan have their own versions of the generalized system of preferences. Exporters in need of issuing a CO should follow the local Chamber of Commerce's guidelines. There is usually a fee for stamping certificates of origin, and membership may reduce this fee. Certificates of origin are issued and filled out by the exporter of a good, and may be approved by a Chamber of Commerce prior to shipment. Only exporters can issue a certificate of origin. They can contact their local Chamber of Commerce or similar authority for assistance with the process and understand what is needed for approval. A certificate of origin states from what country a product originated, its export and import information, but it does not provide title in the sense of a legal transfer of ownership of the good. Legal transfer of ownership is usually done via a separate transaction involving an invoice or similar proof of sale. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. A certificate of origin, CO, records the country of origin that an imported good has come from. 2. The CO is often mandated by importing countries and included in trade agreements, as it is used to levy the appropriate import tax, if any apply. 3. A CO can exist either in paper or digital format, and must be approved by the requisite Chamber of Commerce or Customs Authority. 4. Preferred COs are abbreviated versions that are only used in the presence of a free trade agreement or treaty. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.